We are at Lake Meredith in Texas. We were here about a year ago. And it's still beautiful. We're caravanning with Mr. Jerry Holly back to our homes, our sticks and bricks. We made a stop off, left Quartzsite, Arizona. It's kind of a long drive, so made a stop off here. Spend a day, take a break from all the driving. This is a good spot to take a break. We are on the Fritch Fortress side. There's I think 5 or so campgrounds around the area. Most of them are dry camping. This is dry camping on this side. There is, I'm trying to remember the name of it. Sanford Yates has, I believe, like 10 electric sites. You have to reserve those. You have to go on the Lake Meredith website. I think it's nps.gov, and find that information for reserving those. But we like the dry camping. It's really quiet out here. I think right now we're the only people out here. There was only like one person here when we pulled in late last night. It was dark when we pulled in. And all these spots have lake views. This road kind of curves around and goes up. And there's bathroom and shower house, and I really don't know if they're open or not open. We didn't go up there to check them. It's only, I think, like 3 miles or something like that outside of Fritch, Texas, which is about, I'm gonna say about 45 minutes north of Amarillo. A little cold today, like 50 degrees. Luckily the wind's not blowing now. It was blowing this morning. It was pretty cold. And it's cloudy, unfortunately, because when we were here last time we got to see really pretty sunrise, sunset. And it's really pretty when the sun is setting over here. This is a really good stop, so if you're passing through, or really even I think it's a good stop just to make a destination, a designated stop. I think it's a good spot just because it's so beautiful out here. And last time we were here, we got a lot of the odor from the oil refineries that are pretty close by, and this time we don't smell it, so that's what makes it a little more pleasant. They've got, you know, fire rings and picnic tables, plenty of trash cans. Right now, lots of peace and quiet. And there is boat ramps out here somewhere. I'm not really for sure where. There's none in this particular area, I don't believe. Maybe on down the hill there might be one, because I did see a truck pulling out with a boat, so very possible there's one on down the hill. There's that little island out there in the middle. I think that's kind of neat. If it was warmer, and if we had kayaks, this would be a great place to kayak around and explore out in there. So if you do the kayaking thing, yeah, bring them along. I think you would probably enjoy doing that. I don't really know if I have anything else to mention. I think we're Probably gonna pull out in the morning and head on up towards home. It's been a great trip. Met a lot of people in Quartzsite. That was fun. It's definitely been an experience. But I do think that I kind of determined that I'm not exactly a desert girl. Kind of like the water. I'm definitely beach. Give me beaches. Give me water. Give me grass, trees.